Hello friends, today's topic, how to calculate how much money to be invested for retirement without using calculator. One of the common questions which people ask us is how much money should we invest every month for our retirement. If we use a calculator, then we can calculate our current monthly expenses and then estimate our future expenses at the time of retirement and then calculate how much money we will require for 20 to 25 years of our retirement life. However, if we don't have a calculator, then we can still find out roughly how much we need to invest every month for retirement. The thumb rule used has been inspired by an online article by Mr. M. Pattabhiraman. It is more accurate for people around 30 years or below. However, a rough idea can be got even if people are slightly older. Steps to roughly calculate amount to be invested per month. 1. Note your monthly household expenses. Include only regular expenses such as grocery and other essential expenses. Don't include money spent on children, EMI and any other expenses which may not be incurred during your retirement. For our example, let us assume it is 25,000 per month and we will call this as A. 2. During retirement, your expenses will be lesser than during work life. However, due to inflation, it will be proportionately higher. Ideally, you must invest around 75% to 100% of A. So, as a thumb rule, in this example, you must invest at least 18,750 to 25,000 per month, 75% to 100% of A. This has to continue till retirement age. 3. The total investment made for retirement includes EPF, PPF, stocks, mutual funds, post office deposits, NPS, and all liquid instruments. 4. Although in step number 2, it has to be estimated that 75 to 100% of the monthly expenses should be invested in various instruments retirement, the ideal situation would be to invest 100% of A or more. This means that your monthly savings should be equal to your monthly expenses. If your age is above 30, then you must try to invest more than the monthly expenses to ensure creating a good retirement corpus. 5. It would be ideal the monthly investment can be increased every year over the period so that you increase the corpus amount. Around 5 to 10% increase in investment every year is good. For example, if you are investing rupees 25,000 per month now, then you may have to invest 27,500 per month from next year onwards. 6. If you are not able to invest an amount which is equal to your monthly expenses, then you should work towards increasing your earnings and thereby increasing your savings in the near future. 7. If you are able to invest an amount which is 2 to 3 to 4 times your monthly expenses, then you could achieve early retirement at the age of 45 to 50 years, etc., depending on your current age. Note, this thumb rule is not very suitable for people who are 45 to 50 years or above. For large number of people, their monthly investments will be lower than monthly expenses. You need to ensure that you increase your investments in the future. The best situation to be successful in creating a large corpus is to earn well, save and invest a high percentage of your earnings. This will not only give you a good chance to create a good retirement corpus in crores at the age of 60, but also give you chance of becoming financially independent much earlier than the age of 60, maybe at the age of 45, 50, 55. At the end of the video, here is the question. At what age do you wish to become financially independent? Type the age in the comment section. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.